You've probably seen videos claiming to reveal the #1 programming language to make you rich overnight. But let's be honest, if that were true, we'd all be coding in it right now while sipping pina coladas on a beach in Bali. This video is not that. Today, we're going on an adventure into the deepest, darkest depths of the software engineering iceberg, the programming languages you love, hate, fear, and wonder why they even exist. By the end of this video, you'll either be inspired to start your coding journey or cry in existential despair. Either way, grab a snack because this is going to be fun. Let's start at the sunny surface, where programming languages are designed to make life easy. If you're a complete newbie, Scratch is where it's at. Think of it as coding with Lego blocks, except instead of building a spaceship, you're building logic. It's so fun that you'll forget you're learning. MIT made it, so you know it's legit. Plus, it's perfect for kids and adults pretending to understand what they're doing. Next up is Python, the internet's favorite child. It's simple, clean, and doesn't yell at you for missing a semicolon. Friendly, versatile, and always eager to help you build anything from AI to websites. Python's only weakness, you'll eventually meet JavaScript, its messier cousin who rules the web. It's chaotic, but unavoidable. Every app, every website, even your grandma's cookie recipe blog, it's all powered by JavaScript. So yeah, you'll need to learn it. Just don't ask why it has 99 ways to check if a variable is null. Now we're heading into the you gotta learn this or else zone. First up, HTML and CSS. They're not really programming languages. Don't cancel me, tech Twitter, but they're essential for web development. Think of HTML as the skeleton of a website and CSS as the fabulous outfit it wears. Without CSS, your website looks like it just rolled out of bed. Then there's SQL, or as some people like to say, SQL. It's the language of databases. It's basically the librarian of the programming world, keeping everything organized so you can find it later. But good luck when your boss says, "Why is the database broken?" That's when you start learning the magic words. It worked on my machine. Okay, we're descending deeper into the iceberg. Welcome to the land of versatile giants. First, there's Java. It's been around forever, like the programming world's grandpa. It's powerful, reliable, and kind of annoying. But if you're working in enterprise software, you'll see it everywhere. Pro tip, use an ID like IntelliJ to write Java. It's like having a butler who finishes your sentences. Next up is C++, which is like Java but cooler and better dressed. It powers video games made with Unity as well as Windows apps. If you're into game dev or want to impress your gamer friends, C# is the way to go. And finally, there's TypeScript. It takes JavaScript, slaps some rules on it, and says, stop being chaotic. If you're building complex apps, TypeScript is your best friend. It's the language that says, I got your back, bro. Now we're getting weird. Welcome to functional programming, where everything revolves around functions. The most famous is Haskell. It's pure, it's elegant, it's mathematical, and it will break your brain. But once you understand it, you'll feel like a wizard casting spells with code. Then there's Scala and F2, which are more chill. They mix functional and object-oriented programming, making them perfect for developers who want the best of both worlds. But if someone asks you to explain what a monad is, just smile and say, it's a vibe. Now we're at the core, the languages that power everything. First, there's C, the OG. It built operating systems, game engines, and probably your toaster. Learning C is like training with a sword. It's simple but deadly if you don't know what you're doing. And then there's C++, which is like C but with extra features and extra chaos. It's powerful, but one wrong move, and you'll spend 3 days debugging a memory leak. Finally, we have Rust. It's modern, it's safe, and it's here to save you from the nightmares of C and C++. Rust has a thing called borrow checking, which sounds boring, but basically means your code won't crash and burn. It's no wonder Rust developers are the happiest coders alive. Now for the fun stuff, esoteric languages. These are programming languages created just for laughs or pain. There's Brain, which gives you exactly 8 commands to work with. Writing anything in it will melt your brain. Then there's Chef, where your code looks like a recipe. Want to build an app? Just bake a cake in code. And if you're into abstract art, there's Piet, where you write prosograms by drawing colorful pictures. Who said coding can't be artistic? At the bottom of the iceberg lies assembly language, machine code, and beyond that, the mysterious quantum physics of computation. But here's the real kicker. The deeper you go, the more you realize how much you don't know. And maybe that's the point. The only thing scarier than programming languages is your own mind. Thanks for coming along on this journey. Ready to unlock your full coding potential? Join my free newsletter for exclusive tips, coding hacks, and fun lessons you won't find anywhere else. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what's your favorite or most frustrating programming language? Let's level up together.